Morning, everyone. So we are here for the conduct of private conference of contract ID numbers 26PH0037 up to 26PH0045 to formally open this conference, private conference. I request everyone to please rise for prayer to be led by Ms. Lost.
Heavenly Father, thank you for bringing us together today. We ask for your guidance as we begin this activity. Help us to be fair, honest, and wise in our decisions. Bless everyone involved and make this process bring good results. We trust in your wisdom and place this in your hands. Jesus' name we pray.
Thank you, Ma'am. I request Ma'am Rachel for the acknowledgement of today's attendance.
Good morning to each and every one of us. So today we are gathered here for the Revit conference. And to start, may I introduce to you all the attendees for today. Our Bids and Awards Committee Chairperson, Engineer Carlito S. Sali. Good morning, sir. Vice Chairperson, Sir Anacleto Santos Bumagat Jr. Good morning, sir. Together with the back members, Ma'am Jubenti Dison and Ma'am Lilia R. Herrera and Sir Jimson Seni. Morning po. With back secretariat, also the acknowledging the arrival of TWG head Sir Levi B. Baldonado. Good morning, sir. And back secretariat headed by Sir Jordan Tan. Members, Ma'am Lori Movida, yours truly, Rachel and Sid Lorendo. TWG members pa pala. Sorry, good morning po. Sir Wilfredo Macario, Ma'am Christine Panganiban, Ma'am Bina Fernandez, Ma'am Ruby Bautista, Sir Bobby Cristobal, and back secretariat, Ma'am Lori, Movida, Rachel Hansi Florendo, Ma'am Meg Babaran, and staff from Planning and Design section. Good morning, and other observers from OJT students from different schools, staff from procurement unit and PIO. Good morning. And since the majority of back members are present today, we declaring today that we have quorum. Morning.
Thank you, Ms. Alicia. Do you have any prospective leader?
Wala pong leaders.
Thank you, Ms. Rachel. So we are here to clarify or explain any of the requirements, terms, conditions, and specifications stipulated in bidding documents. So, there, Mark, accumulating yung video presentations, requirements, technical and financial.
Hello, good morning everyone. This presentation provides essential instruction to prospective bidders on the upcoming procurement activities of this district, Isabela 4th District Engineering Office. First on the list, bids received in excess of the approved budget of the contract, or ABC, will be automatically rejected upon opening. Bidding documents, as we all know, these are comprehensive set of materials provided by the procuring entity to prospective bidders detailing the requirements of a project. It consists of the following documents: invitation to bid, eligibility requirements, eligibility data sheet, instruction to bidders, bid data sheet, general conditions of the contract, special conditions of the contract, specification, drawings, bill of quantities, bidding forms. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders on the dates provided, and they can obtain a copy at this office and upon payment of the applicable fees. Please note that these are non-refundable fees pursuant to the guidelines of the Government Procurement Policy Board or GPPB. These are also posted on PhilJEP's and DPWH website, and they can download it for free. Prospective bidders should be registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or PCAB with a specific size range as required in the project advertised. Contractors or applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application at the DPWH Procurement Service, 5th floor, DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila, while those already enrolled shall keep their records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH Contractor Profile Eligibility process and subject to further post-qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the PRS during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass or fail criterion, as is specified in the approved implementing rules and regulations of RA 12009, otherwise known as the New Government Procurement Act. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the BDS. For the electronic bid, you can send it to electronicbids_Isabela4@dpwh.gov.ph. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidder's representative who chose to attend the bidding. Late bids shall not be accepted. The DPWH Isabela 4th District Engineering Office reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 70 of RA 12009 and its IRR, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. If at the time of the post-qualification procedure the BAC verifies that any of the deficiencies is due to the contractor's fault or negligence pursuant to Section 63 of the Implementing Rules and Regulation of RA 12009, the procuring entity shall disqualify the contractor from the award without any right to reimburse fees and incidental costs paid for the procurement of infrastructure contract subject of the bid. Please take note of the following department orders. Department Order 110 Series of 2024 requires contractor for civil works project that are large A, medium B, and medium A to have International Organization for Standardization or ISO certificate. Department Order 28 Series of 2024 is about three-strike policy. It suspends bidder from participating in the bidding after they commit three similar unjustified violations of procurement rules within the specific timeframe, such as a year. Violations include withdrawal, submission of late bids, submission of patently insufficient bids. Department Order 11 Series of 2017 requires prospective bidders for the inclusion of minimum material testing equipment in the technical component of the bid. The next slides provides you other reminders on the components of the bid proposal. Sealing and marking of envelope. Eligibility requirements. Net financial contracting capacity or NFCC. Bid securing declaration or BSD. Other technical requirements are the following: Articles of Incorporators or General Information Sheet. Omnibus Sworn Statement. Transaction with the district can only be made with the authorized license officers or if they have a special power of attorney which specifically indicates the contract ID they are interested in.
Pinaliktad mo. Akin mo siguro 'to. Siguro 'to, wag mo namin. So, I'd like to report regarding that especially remind prospective bidders during private conferences of their obligation to fully and truthfully disclose all ongoing and awarded but not yet started contracts, including DPWH, other government and private contracts, by submitting the duly accomplished statement. The bank shall also remind the payer to submit and declare any ongoing awarded but not yet started contract constitutes a ground for disqualification and imposition of appropriate sanctions. Yun, mga prospective bidders natin, padalang ulit natin live and watching live ating FB page. So, naman tayong effective leaders na nandito present. We'd like to request and value to great motion of the government. Since we have a motion for the adjournment of today's private conference and duly evaluated, I'm now declaring this private conference adjourned. Maraming salamat sa